If you're watching this video, it may be because you've received a summons for shoplifting. The first thing I want to say is that with my help, you will get through this. Your criminal record may be able to get cleaned up after getting a shoplifting charge on it if your case is handled correctly. Shoplifting falls under the crime of theft in Louisiana. There is no formal charge called shoplifting in Louisiana. Therefore, your summons will likely say theft on it. Theft is the misappropriation or taking of anything of value which belongs to another, either without the consent of the other to the misappropriation or taking, or by means of fraudulent conduct, practices, or representations. An intent to deprive the other permanently of whatever may be the subject of the misappropriation or taking is essential. Some of the situations that occur which may support intent to deprive is when the defendant changes a price tag, conceals items within another item or purse, or simply by not scanning the item in the self-checkout. The penalties at the time of this video vary. Theft can either be a felony or misdemeanor depending on the alleged amount of the stolen items. If the items amount to less than a value of $1,000, the offender shall be imprisoned for not more than 6 months or may be fined not more than $1,000 or both. So this is a misdemeanor charge. If the amount of goods is $1,000 or more, it becomes a felony. Also, if the offender in such cases has been convicted of theft 2 or more times previously, upon any subsequent conviction, he shall be imprisoned with or without hard labor for not more than 2 years, or may be fined for not more than $2,000 or both. Therefore, it becomes a felony if the defendant had 2 previous convictions for theft. There are ways to defend and mitigate these charges. Even if you feel like you don't have a good case to defend, I can still help by either finding a good defense or working a deal with the prosecutor. Our goal will be to protect your criminal record to minimize any negative impact it may have for the rest of your life. So give me a call. I'd be happy to help.